Alright, here we'll do a brief video explaining direction of the ribbon cable on a PRS Alpha control system. Here we have our PRS Alpha control box and board, and I already have this one removed just to give us a better look. So let's just get right in it. So I got it removed, and I'm looking at the back of the board. Now the way this cable works is it sends our output signal from the controller card to the control board. The direction is everything with this, so in order for the direction to be right, we need to be able to see the board. If we look here on the controller card, you'll notice that there is a header here. So here we go, we see J2. So this means that this is the header of the controller card, J2. So whatever color goes to J2, the header on the card, it needs to go to this dot here. So just show an example here. Color doesn't matter, more so that the header lines up with the dot here. So we can see that commonly we'll have these two clipped and this one clipped up here. So this will only plug in one way, like so. So I usually plug this one in first because there's only one way to plug it in, as these are keyed on this end. So you can see that these are plugged here and plugged here. So I can only plug it in this particular case. In this particular case, where brown is going to go to the header, because the brown is where the dot is. And it may be different for you, maybe blue, doesn't really matter, but the important thing is whatever color is near the dot here, it needs to be the color that is near the header here. So for here, I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to plug it in here and make sure that it is going to J2. So you can see brown is going to J2. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.